Okay, we're leaving out of O'Reilly's Auto Parts parking lot, as long as I don't get killed, with 2 parts for my car. That costed more than a car payment. That costed more than a car payment. The lower control arms, yes, they costed $158 each, because you need a right one and a left one, and $158 each plus tax. And then and then I gotta go get some money out of the bank, even though earlier I was just at the darn bank. Now I gotta go to the bank again to get out $150 for labor. So not only, oh my lord, let him go. Let that extra police officer go. Yes, we will. We'll let him go. I don't want no problems with him. So we're on our way to the bank to get money out, and then back to the mechanic shop to get this car done. That's what's going on with me today. Today is what, the 4th? Yeah, the 4th. The 4th. It's the 4th. Warm today. Roll down my windows. It's warm today. It's warm. Well, there was an AutoZone, but O'Reilly's has lifetime warranty too. So I just went to the closest one. Oh God. So yeah. $158, and that includes lifetime warranty. So if this crap ever happens again with my ball joints and my lower control arms, and it's gonna stay in O'Reilly's system because I don't keep receipts. Remember when they wanted you to keep the receipt or they wouldn't give you the warranty? That was retarded. I'm like, I don't keep receipts. I keep them long as I can keep them, and then there's just extra crap that I'm carrying around. So yeah. Now I gotta go chase bank to get the money out. To get this van fixed. And this is just for the control arms. This isn't for the struts. Yeah, this isn't the struts. When I saw some stuff on Google, the prices, $70 this dollar, that was wrong. That was a lie. That was a lie. $158 lifetime warranty. So, join me, will ya? We gotta find a bathroom too, so I can go pee, because I don't think they have a bathroom at the shop that I can use. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I got all that control arm stuff fixed, so let's get back into, we're gonna go into the future now. We're gonna go into what happened to me today. So that was March 4th. Today is the 13th of March. Let's go. I will show you what all happened to me today. So much fun. Hope you guys are having a good day. If you like this kind of stuff, they can help you. Give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I have a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. I'm in the Detroit, Michigan area, and I'm homeless, and I kind of stay with friends and family when I can. When the weather's bad, and I'm healing now from my 4th open heart surgery. So yeah, and I'm having car issues. van issues. This is all part of van life. This is all part of it. So, alright, let's go have some more fun. Alright, I'm at Crystal Bar and Grill. My car's doing it again. Guess what month it is? It's March. What happens to my car in March? Almost every year. Let's hope it's not the same problem. The electrical harness. Yeah. I'm out in this time. Can you go around me? I can't. My car's broke down. Oh my goodness. My car is broke down and I'm blocking parking spots. This is bad. This is bad.
You could turn your life upside down.
Yeah. Ran out of gas. Great. Oh! Ran out of gas. Alright, did I get it together? I don't know which way to go now. I don't even want a DoorDash right now. I don't. Ah, and guess what? Richard found these at his house. Yes, they're back. My other prescription glasses that were lost. Oh, there's so much going on. There's so much going on. Car troubles. It's fun. I need to get that fuel pump fixed because I can't be running out of gas again. I can't be running out of gas. And I've been checking around prices for the struts for the front. The one shop wants. He says I can get the struts for $150 each. He said, but the labor's going to cost you $400. And that was Lonnie's Auto Shop in Belleville. Needless to say, I'm not doing that. That's $700 just for struts. You gotta be kidding me. The struts isn't a cheap fix. It's like 2 car payments. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Yeah, I need struts, but that's like an arm and a leg, literally. And then running out of gas, I have to get this fuel pump thing looked at. I had to have 2 guys help me push me out of the way. And I had my hazards on, but guess what? My running lights and everything on this right side, not working. Matter of fact, we might as well go look at it. I'm gonna put my right turn signal on. Okay, that works. Well, my hazards wasn't working. Why weren't my hazards working? I put my hazards on again. I got my hazard thing pushed. Let's see. That was another problem. Yeah. My run see, that's not working. But this side's working. See? That's a major problem. This is not working. So that's another problem I gotta get fixed. Yeah, and I just didn't check Lonnie's as the only place to get my struts done. I priced struts at O'Reilly's. They want $258 for one strut. You need two. So, yeah. They got them for $258 each. That's $500. But of course they wanted $230 for that plastic light plate in the back when I got it from Amazon for $69. So yeah, I saved a lot of money with that. I could get stuff from Rock Auto that would be cheap, but I need a mechanic or a guy to look at to make sure I order the right ones. Yeah, I need that. So yeah. One thing at a time, right? Okay, you got gas in the car. That's one problem fixed. You need money to be able to get this car fixed, so you better go do some hustling. Better go do some hustling before it gets dark. Yeah, you know. I gotta tell myself to do that because I don't want to do it. Trying to get a new job, trying to do all kinds of stuff. And sometimes it just, just want to run and hide somewhere, go curl underneath a rock somewhere. Yeah. But that's when you gotta kick yourself in the butt. Kick yourself in the butt. It's not the end of the world. The car's still running. It's not the real bad problem that we had. It's just I ran out of gas. Yeah. Okay. I kicked myself in the butt. It's a nice day out. I got a whole bunch of food in the bag. I got gas in the car. Okay. Get over it, Tina. Take a drink, take a breath. At least I know my turn signals work on my right side. Nothing else works over there, but that works. If it ain't one thing, it's 5. Ain't one thing, it's 5. And I got a mosquito. I got my first mosquito in the car. Are you serious? You stupid little mother scratcher. Yeah, like, oh, he's big. Look at it. There he is. Look at he's trying to move. I just knocked him down.